Hello, I'm back. Today we got a brand new one. It's as you can probably recognize the box. It's a Glock. Today we're gonna be talking about the Glock 30 SF, which stands for short frame. And the Glock 30 SF, also known as the Glock 30 short frame, was introduced as more compact version of the Glock 30. The Glock 30 SF was designed to provide the same firepower as the Glock 30 with the reduced grip size frame, making it easier to handle for those with smaller hands. The Glock 30 SF has been well received for its balanced size, capacity, and performance, making it a popular choice for those with personal defense and everyday carry. I have small hands. It fits well in my hands. Let me show you. Magazine's empty. Chamber's empty. Frame's pretty thick. I mean, the slide is pretty thick. The frame is compact. As you can see, is the SF, which stands for short frame. It feels good. Feels good in my hand. Uh, Black 30 chamber and 45. I also decided to put in a SIG Foxtrot 1X. Pretty nice little gun. Feels good. Feels nice and crisp. Feels good. Let's see. Take it down the range and put a few rounds down and see how we feel about it. And see how it goes. Got a new one with us, fresh off the shell. Putting his first rounds down through the range. I have with me a Glock 30 SF, stands for short frame, chamber and 45. Let's see how it goes. Brand new. Put a few rounds on the range. I have a friend that makes this trigger guards. Let me know if you're interested. I think he's doing Glock right now, but we'll see. Let's. We got a 10-round magazine, chamber and 45. Let's see how this goes. First round's down the range. Glock 30 SF, chamber and 45. Let's see. Got a kick to it. Shoots pretty good. It's a nice compact gun. Need more practice with it. Hit a couple of times. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Glock 30 SF, chamber and 45. Let's do another 12-round magazine down the range. Definitely need to practice with this one. Need to get used to it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. Nice weapon. Now we're back from the range. It went pretty well. It does have some power to it, but it's very manageable. It's better than I expected. Uh, really enjoyed it. Of course, being a chamber and 45 ACP, kind of not small frame makes you think how the recoil is gonna go. Definitely has a kick to it. But I really enjoyed it. I say if you ever got a chance, try it. You'll like it.